Another week, another battle between buyers and sellers. We're still stuck in a range, but the pressure is building. Will buyers finally break through after 4 attempts, or do sellers take control and push back to value? Let's break it down. So last week, ES stayed locked between this high at 6,174 and the low at 5,935, meaning we have no major breakouts yet. So Monday started with another gap down, but this was filled before New York opened. Wednesday we saw a failed breakdown into the lows that were made Monday, but buyers absorbed it fast, retesting the 55 zone and then pushing us back into the December failed breakout range. Friday retested the single print down below, but couldn't push past the highs at 6,147. So now we stay into this make or break zone between 6,118 and 6,155. Looking at the monthly chart, we are still inside of January's range, but price has escaped both value area highs, trying to build higher, but stalling at December's POC 6,132. On the 10-day volume profile, we see that price is still stuck inside of the last 10-day volume profile, sitting near December's POC and our last period's range high. So this means buyers are gaining traction, but there is still a lot of uncertainty as if this higher value should be accepted. So the weekly chart shows us buyers are making progress, but are leaving some gaps behind. Our weekly low is at 6,014, which is a 79-point increase from last week's low. We have the imbalances that remain between 6,112 and 6,126. We are expecting a cleanup to happen right here in this zone. And we are holding above the key POCs of January 20th week and the week of December 16. So an open in this zone could finally signal a break up, and an open below could mean that sellers are taking control back and want to eat steak instead of burgers. Now for this weekly summaries, the last chart we look at is the 4-hour chart, where we are watching these big sellers at 6,165 and 6,148. All gaps have been filled, but a major seller is still sitting here with 8,700 contracts sold. This might be the same spoofer from the last week of November that started selling begin December, leaving this failed breakout range where we are now again. Both the long and the short time frames are in an uptrend, but don't forget we are in this range since November 4th to December 8th. As key levels going on next week, I would put my line in the sand back at 6,132, and longs can start as long as we take out these highs at 6,147, targeting the previous highs at 6,157, 6,162, and the all-time high 6,181.25. What we also seen is that above this 6,147, buyers may lose steam. Same as below 6,122, buyers need to prove their strength. As for a bearish plan below 6,132, shorts can activate below 6,112, which is Friday's breakout level, targeting this POC at 6,099 and the POC at 6,088, which is back in last week's value. Remember guys, markets are closed on Monday, tomorrow for President's Day, so I'll be back Tuesday with a detailed game plan as always. Enjoy the day off. The key levels for next week are 6,132 for bulls, 6,112 for sellers. But we'll carefully watch 6,148 and 65. The big seller is still lurking there. We have full breakdowns dropping daily, so like, subscribe, hit that notification bell and stay ahead of the rest. Also, if interested, you can join my Discord where I trade live once a week, offer live lessons and do a weekly market outlook and Q&A. The link is in the description. As always, trade smart, manage risk, and remember, if you're not staying on top of the market will stay on top of you.